The one thing I can't do in a workday is my calendar and my newspaper. This calendar helps me to be organized and stick to what I want to achieve in a one day and help me in prioritizing my day. And the newspaper helps me to be connected with the external world. So these are the things I can't do. I can't imagine my working day without these things. I think the meeting to be effective needs to have three parts. We should have the pre-work for the meeting, which includes setting the agenda, setting the work papers, sending them in advance to all the participants. The second part is the meeting in itself. All the participants are expected to come prepared for the meeting, stick to the agenda. While it's good to have the discussions, but at the end of the day, when we conclude the meeting, we should have achieved what we expected to. The third thing which I have learned as part of my company secretary course, the meeting is not over unless the action items are over. So minutes of the meeting should be documented and circulated to all participants with each participant's name assigned to the actions. So to summarize, effective meeting should have a pre-work, sticking to the agenda and follow up on the action items. It's a very tricky question, but I would say my first boss in the first company when I started my career, he had the biggest influence on me because he encouraged me not only to not be very narrow-minded in the role in finance. He gave opportunity to work different roles in the finance function, which I realized much later in my career that it's not important just to move in hierarchical terms, but also move laterally and do different things in one function. So I would say my first boss. What I like working here is the people here. People are very authentic in terms of what they communicate. They are very transparent and they genuinely care for the people in Lennox. This I have observed and felt from the first day when I got the call for an interview, my entire joining process to the time till day when I interact with people, whether in LITC or in our businesses in different parts of the world. I believe that this is our culture, that people are very genuinely authentic and transparent in what they say and communicate. I think there's a lot for us to learn from the young people as well, but I would share my experience. I would say three things. Number one, there is no substitute for the hard work. So whichever generation you may belong to, there is no substitute. So hard work is to be number one. Number two, connect to the business you are part of. At the end of the day, we all work for our shareholders in our communities. We operate our business. So understand the business, see that you are adding value to the business and we are earning our salaries. Number three, be focused in what you are doing and think big. Many times we major in minor things and that have led to failures. So we don't want to be major in minor things, we want to be major in the major things. Hi, my name is Vinod Goswami and I'm Director of Finance at LITC.